It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be doing a crock-pot meal. It's cheesy chicken and taters. You're going to need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds of taters, or you can use a bag of hash browns, the 2-pound bag. You're going to need 3 cups of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and any seasonings you want. Okay, into the crock pot, I sprayed crock pot. We're going to put half of our taters. And like I said, you could use hash browns, make it easier. We'll put the butter. We're going to layer this, and each layer you want to season. We're using the grilled chicken with sea salt, garlic, and herbs. I'm also going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Grab my pepper. Okay, we're going to stir this up a little bit. Then we're going to add our chicken. Wash my hands. You'll want to season it really good. Okay, then we're going to put the rest of our taters on top of that. Season that. Taters need a lot of seasoning. Okay. Okay. After the chicken, you want to add a cup of your cheese. I didn't do that. I'm just going to put 2 cups on top here. But after your chicken, add a cup of cheese. And you're going to leave 1 cup of cheese for the end. I think it'll be all right. Okay, and then you add 3/4 cup of your heavy whipping cream. Get that open. Now you're gonna turn your crock pot on low for at least 4 to 5 hours, and then we'll be back after that time's up. Okay, here it is. I had to let mine go for 5 hours. The taters wasn't done. If you use hash brown, the frozen ones, I'm sure it probably get done faster. We're going to take the rest of the cheese and we're going to sprinkle that on there, and that'll be in there till it melts, and we'll be ready to dish it up. Here it is all done. We'll plate it up and give it a try. We got it plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Alrighty.
There's chicken in there too.
I know.
Somewhere in there.
Oh no, your cheese is starting to congeal.
Yep.
Very good.
Yep, delicious.
You
And
gonna try some, Chick?
season to taste. I'll see if
Delicious.
mine may need a little bit more salt. Okay. Want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky, morning dew and a rooster's cry, garden row stretching far and wide, another summer day on the countryside, tomatoes growing, beans on the vine, sweet corn standing tall in line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold, simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The gardens grow and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us. For every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead. Here on Holmans Homestead today. Thank you all for coming along with us and watching